Have you ever looked at your hands and thought, wow, when did they start looking so old? Wrinkles, dark spots, and dryness can sneak up on us, making our hands look much older than they should. But don't worry. Today, I have an amazing, all-natural remedy that will restore moisture, reduce wrinkles, and bring back that youthful glow to your hands. And the best part? Everything you need is already in your kitchen. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a powerful elixir that deeply nourishes, hydrates, and brightens your skin. So, let's dive in and see how we can turn back the clock on your hands. The power of natural ingredients. The secret to this powerful hand treatment lies in 6 incredible ingredients that work together in perfect harmony. 1. Extra virgin olive oil, deep hydration and repair. Extra virgin olive oil is a skin-loving powerhouse. It's loaded with monounsaturated fatty acids, especially oleic acid, which deeply penetrates the skin, keeping it soft, supple, and hydrated. It also contains vitamin E, polyphenol, and powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, protecting your skin from premature aging. This oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help soothe redness and irritation, making it perfect for hands that feel dry, cracked, or rough. 2. Raw honey, the ultimate skin healer. Honey isn't just sweet. It's a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. This keeps your hands hydrated and plump, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. But that's not all. Honey is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which fight oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of skin aging. It also has antibacterial properties, helping to keep your skin clear, smooth, and even-toned. 3. Lemon juice brightens and evens skin tone. Lemon juice is nature's brightening agent. It's loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen helps maintain your skin's firmness and elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, the citric acid in lemon juice acts as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter, and more youthful-looking hands. 4. Sugar, the gentle exfoliator. Exfoliation is key to maintaining youthful skin, and sugar does an amazing job at gently buffing away dead skin cells, leaving your hands smooth and radiant. This natural exfoliant encourages new cell turnover, reducing dullness and roughness while improving overall skin texture. 5. Aloe vera soothes, hydrates, and heals. Aloe vera is a miracle ingredient when it comes to skincare. It's known for its deep hydrating, soothing, and healing properties. Rich in vitamins A, C, E, and enzymes, aloe vera boosts collagen production, which helps firm the skin and reduce wrinkles. It also has anti-inflammatory and cooling effects, making it perfect for calming irritated or dry hands while deeply nourishing the skin. 6. Almond oil boosts elasticity and softens skin. Almond oil is a rich source of vitamin E, an essential nutrient for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. It also contains fatty acids that deeply moisturize and repair the skin barrier, keeping your hands soft, smooth, and youthful. This oil absorbs quickly into the skin, locking in hydration without leaving a greasy residue. It's especially great for reducing dark spots and evening out skin tone. DIY hand treatment for soft, wrinkle-free skin. Now that we know how powerful these ingredients are, let's put them together and create an anti-aging hand elixir that will leave your hands feeling soft, hydrated, and wrinkle-free. You will need 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, fresh or store-bought, 1 teaspoon almond oil. How to use. Mix it up. Combine all the ingredients in a small bowl and stir until well blended. Massage. Apply the mixture to your hands, gently massaging it in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Pay extra attention to wrinkles, dark spots, and dry areas. Let it sit. Leave the mixture on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the nutrients to deeply penetrate and work their magic. Rinse and pat dry. Wash off with lukewarm water and gently pat your hands dry. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Use this treatment regularly for best results. Within a few weeks, you'll notice a dramatic improvement in the texture, tone, and overall appearance of your hands. Additional tips for younger-looking hands. Always apply sunscreen. Use an SPF 30+ daily to protect against UV damage and prevent dark spots. Moisturize often. Keep your hands hydrated with a rich hand cream or natural oils. Wear gloves. Protect your hands when doing household chores or during cold weather. Use lukewarm water. Hot water dries out your skin, making wrinkles more visible. Exfoliate weekly. Remove dead skin cells regularly to maintain smooth, soft hands. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your skin glowing from within. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy oils while avoiding processed foods and sugar. Limit smoking and alcohol. Both contribute to premature aging and skin damage. If you've been struggling with wrinkles, dark spots, or dry, aging hands, this simple DIY hand treatment can make a huge difference. The combination of olive oil, honey, lemon juice, sugar, aloe vera, and almond oil works synergistically to hydrate, repair, and rejuvenate your skin, all without harsh chemicals. So, try this easy, all-natural remedy and say hello to softer, smoother, and younger-looking hands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Stay beautiful and make it a great day.